Okay, x-axis and y-axis given. Then I ask you to find, okay, draw the line x is 0, x is 0. Draw a line through x is equals to 0. That means in x-axis, okay, not this one, okay, not this one. In x-axis, where is our 0? This point. Through this, you have to draw a straight line. Through this, you have to draw a straight line. That means when x is equals to 0, that is our exact y-axis. Exact y-axis. Okay, when we consider any points in this line, okay, any points lie on this line. Okay, here when you consider about any point, its x coordinate is definitely 0 in y-axis, as I told you earlier that y coordinate is always, in y-axis x coordinate is always 0. Here we will take it as 1, 3, -1 and -4. Okay, when we consider about the coordinate in this instance, in x-axis that is going through 0. No? So 0, comma, -4. This is the coordinate in this place. When you consider about this region, 0 and -1. Okay. When you consider about this position, here x is 0 and y is 1. Here x is 0, y is 3. Okay, in y-axis, this is why in y-axis, all our x coordinates are 0. Okay, all our x coordinates are 0 because when we draw a straight line which is going through x is equals to 0, that is our exact y-axis. That's why in y-axis, all the x values, okay, all the x coordinates in lies on the y-axis are always 0. Similarly, let's simultaneously look at our x-axis. Okay, here my question is to draw a straight line which is going through y equals to 0. Okay, y equals to 0 means in y-axis where is our 0? This is our 0. So we have to draw a straight line through this. Okay, that means that is our exact x-axis. Y equals to 0 means that is our x-axis. When we consider any points which is lie on this line, okay, here this one, this one, this one and this one, let's consider them. Here this is -5, -2, 0, 3 and 5. Okay, when we consider about the coordinate in this instance, in x-axis that is -5. Okay, in y-axis that is going through 0. No, so -5 comma 0. Yeah, -2 comma 0. For this point, this is 0 comma 0. That is our origin. When you think about this instance, here x value is 3, y value is 0. And finally, in this case, x is 5, y is 0 in this case. Okay, why is that? Because when we draw a straight line which is going through y is equals to 0, that is our exact x-axis. That's why in x-axis, x coordinates might change according to their position, but always the y coordinate is 0 at x-axis. Okay, in converse manner, we discussed this one also. In y-axis, all the x values are x coordinates are 0. In x-axis, all the y coordinates are 0. This is the reason why they are holding 0 in each respective axis.